In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways of how to make money with TikTok.
Okay, before I go into the first way to make money, let's talk about the amazing growth of TikTok. Guys, the app is just growing like crazy. It's saying it hit over, almost 2 billion downloads, and it's still outperforming Instagram. There's articles all over about this. So it cannot be ignored. You know probably all about this. The traffic explosion is huge. Now, if anybody wants to make money online, you have to get traffic. And it's great because TikTok can be free traffic and you get more and more views, more and more eyeballs to you. It's a great opportunity. It's a trend. It's a growth. And the algorithm helps for many creators right now. So, number one, the first way to make money online is to use TikTok to get traffic and then send that traffic to another platform. So you can add Instagram and YouTube right on TikTok to your own profile from a brand new user. You can also add your URL to your blog or website right in the description. It won't be a link, but you can at least add that description. I also put .com to my username, so it's scottandy.com because that is my website, and if people see that, they might be curious, go straight to that URL and learn more about me, and then see my offers. If they click and buy, then I make money. On Instagram, so you send people from TikTok to Instagram, you can have your swipe ups, your link in bio, whatever. If people buy whatever you're selling, then you're making money originally from TikTok. Number two is to do live broadcasts. So it's very cool. You can go live on TikTok and talk about whatever. But there are people on there that can sell certain things and of course direct them to wherever. But you can also get paid by these coins. It's really crazy. People buy coins to then share appreciation for the creator. And so then you receive these coins as a creator. As a creator, you turn the coins into diamonds, and then from diamonds into actually cash, US dollars. So the conversion is for every 200 coins, you convert that into 200 diamonds, and that equals out to be $1. Okay? All right. So that's that. That's another way you can make money on TikTok. In fact, there's going live, you can earn all sorts of ways to make money, like I mentioned. Okay, number three. Oh, by the way, guys, I learned about this whole diamond stuff from this girl. Davison is a YouTuber. She explained this very clearly. This is where I learned it. You can go and check her out. Okay, number three. I believe this is the future. They're testing this out, I guess, in China. But when you're doing a live, you can also send them to a specific link that will take them to sell right on TikTok's platform. So it's like QVC. Think about QVC. You're doing a live video. You're talking about the product. You're like, okay, here it is. Here's the unboxing. Here's how it works. Blah, blah, blah. It's brand new. You can check it out. You can buy it right here. Click on that link, guys. Give me some love. Buy it. That type of thing. So it's like a mini QVC. You can have a great footprint to make lots of money. Okay, number four is you can actually add a specific button. I think you have to have a lot of followers to do this, but they're testing it out as well, or maybe it's already happening. But you can add a specific button to your specific post, to just one post. I'll show you an example right here. So here's an account, and this is one of their posts. It's about Panda. This is all about their TikTok account. It's about panda bears. So this specific post has this little shopping cart right here. And they click on that, it goes right to where they can buy it right here on Amazon Prime. And they actually are not leaving the TikTok platform. They're not going to an Amazon specific site. They're all staying right on TikTok, which is just making it very easy for the consumer. So number four, connect a button. Number five is growing accounts, TikTok accounts, and selling them. Because it's new, you can set up specific accounts with every type of niche you could think of, or maybe to start with one. And you could do cats, okay? So if you grow that account and you have lots of followers or whatever, you can then sell that on any platform. There's you can sell TikTok accounts on Craigslist, Poshmark. FameSwap is one that I thought was pretty cool. This is up to date. You have to log in, create a login. It's all free to go onto the site. But one day ago, here's an account saying they have an audience of over 300,000. Here's one with 50,000. But as you can see, this is the price that people are have it listed for sale, and I think people are seriously buying up accounts because as a business owner, someone doesn't want to start from scratch. They want to have 50,000 followers to begin, so maybe paying $1,000 is totally worth it. So that is a way you can make money with TikTok. Okay, the next thing is being a consultant or coach. Okay, there's seriously a lot of young people right now crushing it on TikTok. They know the strategies. They're on it every day. It's like what they're doing in high school. They know how to get more likes and more engagement, all that stuff. Well, businesses, older people, they don't know how to do that. They're focusing on other things. That's not their focus. So they want to know how to do that, but they don't have the time. So if you know what you're doing on TikTok, reach out to companies. You can just direct message them right there on TikTok, or if they have a connection to Instagram, I would suggest going to Instagram and connecting with them there, or digging deeper and just contacting the company by phone or whatever, and see how you can help them with their consulting. If they're already on TikTok too, that's a great sign that they're wanting to grow and progress, all that good stuff. But here is a company that is taking this to the next level, very professional, and saying, hey, we do TikTok consulting, and here's their website, blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, it's very serious. People are taking this very seriously. TikTok manager. All right. You can be an independent contractor and work with these companies to not just consult or give them strategy, but they can hire you to do the post for them and all that other stuff. Content strategy / just they'll hire you out to run their TikTok. And it's cool because as you're an independent contractor, you can work with multiple companies and you can charge them hundreds, thousands of dollars every month, recurring revenue. So pretty awesome way to make money using TikTok. Okay, number 8 is to do TikTok ads. I see ads on my TikTok often. In fact, I see the same ad going over and over and over, the same one. Why? Probably because it's working and they're making sales and making money. So I think a lot of people think once again, young people are on TikTok. I don't know if they have money in their credit card. Guys, that's a bunch of baloney. That's how Instagram was. Now my grandma is on Instagram. Seriously. So of course you can use, or I believe that TikTok is going to go in that same trend. So if you have a product, business, service, if you're selling a course or whatever, try doing TikTok ads. You can make some great money doing that. Okay. And then another thing, if you're not an entrepreneur, if you're not an entrepreneur and don't want to do these things and be aggressive and just want to be able to use your skills, with TikTok, you can just be an employee. I searched up TikTok jobs on Google and I found all sorts of stuff. But here's one just right here in New York saying TikTok creator. We want you to post 3 to 5 videos a week, be creative, collaborate with other social media people, all that good stuff. And then every other listing that's on here, maybe it doesn't say TikTok right in the title, but they're all saying they're all saying stuff like, we want you to be a social media person, but they say, TikTok is always in their description. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, the top dogs, TikTok is up there. So I know I'm kind of rattling off the power of TikTok, but it is there. And guys, that's another way you can make money using TikTok. Okay, number 10, this is a really cool one. You can get paid by just doing a sponsored post. So companies will pay you to promote whatever their product is. If it's like a screwdriver or a specific pen or whatever it is that these businesses want to get out, they will reach out to influencers that have a big following and they'll say, hey, can you do this post? I'll pay you X amount of dollar. Now, it's really cool. I found the site and I just randomly found this girl that showed up in my TikTok profile, and I looked up her name. She has over 200,000 followers. It looks like her estimated earnings per post are $100 to $300. This is kind of cool. Gary V. He's a huge advocate, huge believer in TikTok. He has millions of followers and has tons of clout. But this little calculator says, hey, he can make anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 in just one post. I actually believe he can make a lot more per post. But anyway, this is a cool little calculator where you can calculate, look up your own TikTok username and see how that goes. So there are 10 ways of how you can make money using the power of TikTok. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please smash that like button and please comment below and add your TikTok username below and I'll give you a follow, okay? You guys have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next video.